Hi children, happy to see you all. This is Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 5th standard maths 3rd lesson. Very interesting topic. So listen my children, before going to the topic, I'll tell some introduction about the topic. Okay, so listen here. There is a place, consider this is a place, this is the number land. What is this? Number land, where the smaller numbers are living together. For example, 1 to 10, where the smaller numbers are lives like 1 to 10. After sometimes the smaller numbers are combined or multiplied together, we get the larger number. After sometimes these smaller numbers are multiplied or combined together, we get the larger number. So the larger numbers are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 100. So listen children, in this number land 10 was thinking how I was formed. In this number land 10 was thinking how I was formed. So listen children, take one table. In one table have 10. Now tell me Kiran, one table have 10? Yes, very good. One table have 10. How many times? 1 tens are 10. So write 1 tens are 10. And next one, take a 2 table. 2 table have 10. Very good. 2 table have 10. How many times? 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. And take a 3 table. 3 table have 10 means 3 table it doesn't have a 10. Okay, 3 table 10 is not possible. Next take 4 table. 4 table also 10 is not possible. Next we'll take the 5 table. In 5 table have 10? Yeah. 5 twos are 10. Now tell me Murugan, 6 table have 10? No, it is not possible. 7 table also not possible. 8 table also not possible. 9 table also not possible. Finally 10 table only possible. So 10 table 10 1 times, that is 10 times of 1 or 1 times of 10. So take 10 ones are 10. So listen children, here 10 was thinking how I was formed. So the 10 was formed like this: 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10, and 5 twos are 10, and 10 ones are 10. 1 tens are 10, 2 fives are 10, 5 twos are 10, and 10 ones are 10. So listen here dears, we have 1 10, 2 5, 5 2, 10 1. 1 10, 2 5, 5 2, 10 1. These are called the factors. F-A-C-T-O-R-S. These are called the factors. There we are having 10, 10, 10, 10. That are called the multiples. So, our today's topic is factors and multiples. So, our today's topic is factors and multiples. So, before going to the exercise problems, I will tell what is meant by factors and what is meant by multiples. Factors. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is called the multiples, and that 2 number is called the factors. So, listen here. Factors and multiples. When 2 or more numbers are multiplied. 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 The answer is when 2 or more numbers are multiplied, the answer is multiples. Then that each numbers are called the factor. Then each numbers are called the each numbers are called the factors. So for example, 5 8s are 40 or else 8 5s are 40. 5 8s are 40 or 8 5s are 40. So take 5 8s are 40. Listen my children, here 5 and 8 are called the factors. 5 and 8 are called the factors and 40 is called the multiples. 5 and 8 are called the factors and 40 is called the multiples. So I hope everyone knows what is factors and what is multiples. So our first topic is say yes or no. Say yes or no. The first question is 12 a factor of 108. Is 12 a factor of 108? So S type question means first we are going to do the division. Okay. In this division you are getting remainder 0 means that is yes, and remainder non-zero numbers means that is no. Okay. The first step is you are going to do the division. Take 108 is divided by 12. Here 108 is called the dividend and 12 is called the divisor. Take 108 divided by 12. Okay. So now tell me Kiran, is this possible in 10? 12 table 10 possible? No, it is not possible. Now I am going to write the table, just listen. The first one is 12 zeros are 0. 12 zeros are 0. The next one is 12 ones are 12. Next 12 twos are 24. Take 12 ones are 12. Now tell me Ashwini, what is the answer? 12 twos are? Very good. 12 twos are, the answer is 24. Right? 12 twos are 24. Next take the answer. Next number 12 threes are. 12 threes are, that is 12 times of 3 are 3 times of 12. 12 threes are 36. Next take 12 fours are. 12 fours are. So what is the answer? 12 fours are. 12 fours are. 4 twos are 8. 4 ones are 4. So the answer is 48. So 12 fours are 48. Next we will take a 12 fives are. So 12 fives are 60. And next number 12 6s are, 12 7s are, 12 8s are, 12 9s are. So take a 12 6s are. 12 6s are 72. And next one is 12 7s are. 12 7s are 84. And next number is 12 8s are. That is 12 times of 8 are 8 times of 12. 12 8s are. The next one is 12 9s are. Now tell me Arun Murugan, what is the answer? 12 9s are. Very good. That is 12 times of 9 are 9 times of 12. The answer is 108. What is the answer? The answer is 108. So listen my children, here the dividend is 108 and the divisor is 12. In 12 table of 108? Yeah, 12 table of 108. How many times? Very good. We have 9 times. 9 12s are 108. 9 12s are 108. So write the answer. 9 12s are 108. Okay. So now we are going to subtract this. Why we are subtracting? Means division is a repeated subtraction. Division is the repeated subtraction. So subtract 8 minus 8, the answer is 0. And 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Again 1 minus 1, the answer is 0. So and before itself I said you, in remainder you get 0 means that is yes. In remainder you get non-zero numbers means that is no. So here we got the answer is 0. So write the answer. 12 is here. 12 is here. Factor of 12 is a factor of 108. 12 is a factor of 108. So everyone understood this topic? yes or no question. First you will divide the number and finally remainder you get 0 means that is yes, and remainder you get non-zero number means that is no. Okay. So our next question is 234, that is multiples and this is factors and this is multiples. 234 is a multiple of 18. 234 is a multiple of 18. So here the dividend is 234 and the divisor is 18. So divisor is the table. Here we have the table is 18. So take 234 divided by 18. 234 divided by 18. Now you take 18 and multiply by 0 and multiply by 1, multiply by 2, it will be goes on. So listen here, take 18 zeros are. So 18 zeros are. Enna number 0 wala multiply pannalum, you are getting the answer is 0. So write 18 zeros are 0. The next one is 18 ones are. 18 ones are 18 and the next one is 18 twos are. 18 twos are 36. So listen my children, here itself you multiply. 2 8s are 16, carry 1 and 2 ones are 2 plus 1, the answer is 3. So 18 twos are 36. Next you will take 18 threes are. 18 threes are. So take a 3 and multiply by 8 and 3 and multiply by 1. Now tell me Krish, what is the answer? 3 8s are. 3 8s are, that is 3 times of 8 are 8 times of 3. Okay. So the answer is 24. Right? 4 and 2 here. Next take 3 and multiply by 1. 3 ones are 3. Keep 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So 3 after 4, 5. The answer is 54. 18 threes are 54. So take first 2-digit number, here to 2-digit number. Now we are going to check the 18 table, whether 23 have or not. So listen my children, here 23 is there? No, it is not there. We have 18. So we will take 18. Why? Because division is the repeated subtraction. So we will take the smallest number. So 18 1 times, right? 1 18s are 18. 1 18s are 18. Now we are going to subtract this. 3 minus 8 is possible? No, it is not possible. So you are going to borrow from the 10th place. Here the 10th place value is 2. In this 2 it will change into 1. And then in this 3 it will change into 13. This 3 it will change into 13. Okay. Now you subtract this 13 minus 8. Put 13 lines and strike out 8 lines. Put 13 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 lines and subtract 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now tell me Kiran, what is the answer remaining? Very good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is there. So write the answer 5. Then we'll bring down 4. So in 18 table of 54? Yeah, 18 table of 54. How many times? 18 threes are 54. So already 18 is there, 54 is there. So the answer is 3. Take 3, 18s are 54. Now 54 minus 54. 54 minus 54, what is the answer? The answer is 0. So here too we got 0. So 0 means that is yes. Yes, 18 is a multiple of 234 or 234 is a multiple of 18. Answer yes. 234 is a multiple of 18. 234 is a multiple of 18. So before we saw the example is factors and this is multiples. So I hope everyone enjoy this section. In this below description we have attached a study material, question bank and then self-assessment work. So my dear students, do all the work. If you have any doubt, just see this video. Listen children, in this section you will learn what is multiples and what is factors, and then is type question. Is 72 is a multiple of 9 or is 72 is a factor of 9, like that. Okay. So, we will see in the next class, find the common factors and find the common multiples. I hope everyone enjoy the sections, right. Thank you.